Welcome back to the channel Storm Rider. Today, we're diving into a unique vehicle that's been turning heads in the compact public transport segment, the 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute OM 10-seater. Now, you're probably thinking, wait, Toyota and Bajaj in the same sentence? Yes, you heard that right. This vehicle is the result of a smart collaboration between Toyota's engineering finesse and Bajaj's deep-rooted experience in the three-wheeler and small vehicle market, particularly in Asia and Africa. What we have here is a microvan meets auto rickshaw with the capacity to seat 10 people. Intrigued? Let's get into the details. Starting with the design, the Qute OM 10-seater immediately stands out for its compact footprint combined with extended seating. Unlike the regular Bajaj Qute, which is a quadricycle, this new 2025 version has been reimagined for group transport. At first glance, the body is tall and narrow, just like a traditional rickshaw, but with elongated dimensions and enhanced bodywork. Toyota's influence is clearly seen in the sharper front fascia, improved structural rigidity, and upgraded safety frame. The rounded headlights have been replaced by sleeker LED units, giving it a more modern and confident look. The body panels are slightly more aerodynamic than older models, which is impressive considering it's still a utility-focused vehicle. Now let's talk about seating and space, which is really what sets this machine apart. Fitting 10 passengers into a vehicle this compact might sound crazy, but the layout is quite clever. There's a two-person bench in the front alongside the driver, followed by a middle bench that can seat 4, and two foldable side-facing benches at the rear for 2 passengers each. The seats are covered with water-resistant fabric and offer decent cushioning. Legroom is tight but manageable, and headroom is surprisingly good due to the vehicle's tall roofline. While you wouldn't want to take a cross-country trip in this, for short-distance commuting in urban or semi-rural areas, it works just fine. Under the hood, or rather, under the rear seat, the 2025 Qute OM 10 is powered by a newly refined 216cc single-cylinder engine that runs on both petrol and CNG. This is where Toyota's touch really shines. The engine has been calibrated for better combustion efficiency, smoother idling, and lower emissions. It produces around 13 horsepower, which might not sound like much, but thanks to the vehicle's lightweight build, it performs reasonably well. In CNG mode, the fuel efficiency is impressive, around 35 to 40 kilometers per kilogram, making it an economical choice for fleet operators and daily drivers. The transmission is a 5-speed manual gearbox with a dashboard-mounted shifter. It's smooth, light, and responsive, perfect for stop-and-go traffic. The clutch is feather-light, which is a blessing in congested cities. Even with a full load, the vehicle manages to pull uphill slowly but steadily. It's not a speed demon. Top speed is capped at around 70 km per hour. But again, this machine is not built for racing, it's built for reliable, efficient people moving. Now, let's discuss ride quality. The Qute OM 10-seater uses an independent front suspension and a semi-elliptical leaf spring at the rear. This combination helps it glide over potholes and uneven roads better than older auto rickshaws. Of course, you'll still feel the bumps. It's not a luxury van, but for what it is, the ride comfort is acceptable. The handling is tight with a short turning radius, making it easy to navigate narrow lanes and tight turns. The steering is non-powered but light due to the vehicle's weight distribution. One of the standout upgrades in this 2025 version is safety. There's now a basic crumple zone at the front, reinforced side panels, and a collapsible steering column. While it doesn't have airbags, that's a rarity in this segment, it does feature seatbelts for every seat and a more rigid passenger cell. LED brake lights and turn signals enhance visibility, especially at night, and there's even a small reverse camera integrated at the rear to assist with parking. Moving on to the cabin and features, it's basic but functional. You get a digital analog instrument cluster that shows speed, fuel, gear indicator, and trip meter. There's also a USB charging port, a small fan, and optional Bluetooth speakers for music or announcements, perfect for ride-sharing services. Storage is limited to a glove box and some under-seat space, but most users won't need much more. The dashboard is hard plastic but well put together, and overall build quality has improved significantly from previous Bajaj models. Now here's where it gets interesting. This vehicle is not just aimed at the Indian subcontinent. Bajaj and Toyota have global ambitions for the Qute OM 10. It's already gaining traction in African countries, where it's being used as a mini bus in townships and rural areas. In Southeast Asia, it's replacing traditional tuk-tuks for group travel, thanks to its better safety and fuel efficiency. Even in Latin America, demand is growing in cities where last-mile connectivity is still a challenge. The pricing is another big win. In markets like India, the Qute OM 10 is expected to start around 3 rupees and 80 paise to 4.2 lakh rupees, roughly $4,500 to $5,000 USD, depending on the variant and whether you opt for petrol or CNG. Maintenance costs are low, parts are widely available, and the overall reliability is excellent, exactly what you'd expect from a Toyota Bajaj collaboration. To wrap it all up, the 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute OM 10-seater is a practical, affordable, and surprisingly innovative solution for urban mobility. It's not glamorous, and it's not fast, but it delivers on the things that matter: efficiency, safety, utility, and value. Whether you're a fleet operator, a city commuter, or someone looking for a cost-effective transport business, this vehicle deserves a closer look. If you've enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you ride in or drive the Qute OM 10? What do you think about the Toyota Bajaj team-up? Until next time, ride safe and stay curious.